Hello everyone, welcome to Lesson 4. Let's start off by talking about what is due this week. You have the Unit 4 Stats and Probability piece in ALEKS that needs to be completed with an 85% or above. This means that 85% of your Unit 4 Pi needs to be mastered by Sunday night. In addition to your work in ALEKS, you have 2 discussion questions to do. Your initial post for Lesson 4A is due by Wednesday night, and your initial post for Lesson 4B is due by Friday night. You have a certain amount of peer responses due each week. The directions under the form will tell you what the required amount of peer responses are, so please look at this before you get started. Your peer responses are due by Sunday night. When you're in ALEKS and you've mastered the 85% or above, it will unlock the next topic, and you'll see a screen that works like this. It will tell you, nice work, you've reached your goal. It will tell you what unit you've reached, how many topics you've accomplished. So make sure you look out for that, and then you'll know you're ready to move on to the next unit. I want to keep mentioning that if you are behind, please do not wait to reach out. Your instructor is here to help you. Only you can put in the time needed to do this. Together, you and your instructor can work as a team so you can be successful. Let's switch over to the labs. When you log in, you'll see some important information on the left-hand side of your classroom. Let's go over this. So if you look right here, you'll see Pi Progress Goal 2, and it will tell you how many topics that you need left to accomplish for that Pi Progress Goal 2. In your gradebook in Moodle, you'll see the Pi Progress Goal 1, Pi Progress Goal 2, and Pi Progress Goal 3. You're getting graded on this, and this is what it's referring to. And it tells you also when it's due. So on December 11th, I need to make sure that 186 topics are completed. Also down here, I'm on Unit 2 in this. It's telling me how many topics I have completed out of how many topics. Yours, if you're on track, should say Unit 4, and it will tell you how many topics out of how many topics you have completed. Don't forget that when you're ready to get started, you click on Continue on My Path, and this will log into the next problem where they want you to work. Let's just review again a few things in our menu. When you've mastered the material 85% above, then you're ready to take your Unit 4 tests. Let's go over how to access the test again. So up here in the left-hand corner, you'll click on your menu. Then you'll click on Assignments. And here will be your Unit 4 test. When you want to check your progress, you can click on your menu. You can click on Gradebook. And this will tell you what unit you're on and how much you've accomplished. When you want to check your time, you can click on this on your menu. You can go to Reports. And here in here, you can either view a full report, or the best part is to go down here and to click on this week's activity, View Full Report. And then down below, you'll see the total time that you've done so far in the class. So far, I've only spent 4 hours and 36 minutes. It will tell you what averages out per week, which is 2.3. And remember, you should do a minimum about 5 hours per week. And this is the total for the whole period. You can also check your specific time by entering in certain dates. You can click from when to when. After you're done checking everything, remember that when you're ready to go back and learn again, you'll click on your menu, then you'll click on Learn, and it will bring you back to your work. Keep up your hard work. Remember, spending a minimum of 5 hours per week is what you need to do again this week. If you are behind, then add more time to the 5 hours to catch up. Maybe put in 7 hours, maybe put in 10 hours, depends on how far you are behind. Remember, you can do this. You're not alone, you have the 3 different ways that you can get help. You can click the Explain in ALEKS under the problem. You can reach out for tutoring. We have a tutor that can show you how to work out problems. And remember, always ask the instructor for help too. You can view their office hour in the announcements or just schedule another appointment with them. Keep up the great work.